Alright, gonna be using my old vintage forklift here. Haven't showed a video on this for a while. She's sitting a while. Let's see if she starts. Look at that, it starts right up. About 20 degrees out this morning. Oop, not out of the woods yet. Hydraulics are moving really slow this morning. Well, there might be a job in the future. Alright, I'm going to put our homemade fork extensions on. This guy run for a little bit and warm up. Alright, there's my homemade fork extensions. Got them off a friend of mine some time ago. They're just pieces of steel, and I'll show you in a bit how I use them. The box stays together long enough. Load it up on the trailer. Take this to the scrapyard, get a couple bucks for it. Not really that great as you can see anymore. Do have to figure out a way to hold those forks a little better. They just kind of pinch in there. But it does work good, as you can see. Alright, there you go. Loading a little bit of scrap with a, oh, what did I say this thing was? Like a 1946 Clark forklift. I have other videos on it when we got it running. It seemed to be running pretty good. Burns a little bit of oil, but it's old enough. Not too worried about it. So, alright, just GMAC, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.